The Mellum 2 paper is not just asking whether a coding model can be accurate. It asks a harder deployment question. Can a model keep a 12 billion parameter knowledge envelope, but pay only about 2.5 billion active parameters for each token?
That puts Mellum 2 inches the middle of two familiar lanes. Small, dense models are cheap but flatten on harder coding and reasoning. Very large MoE models are strong, but expensive to run inside everyday developer workflows.
Mellum 2 chooses a small MoE design. Every token sees a router. The router chooses 8 experts out of 64, and only those expert blocks run. The inactive experts still store knowledge, but they do not all charge the token. The attention side is also shaped by serving cost. Grouped query attention uses 32 query heads, but only 4 key value heads, so the cache is thinner. 3 out of every 4 layers use a sliding window, while 1 layer keeps global context.
The clever part is the MTP head. It predicts 1 extra future token during training. But at inference time, the same head can become a built-in draft model for speculative decoding, instead of a separate small model.
The pre-training recipe is a curriculum, not a single data soup. Across roughly 10.6 trillion tokens, the code ratio moves from 23% to 42% to 59%, while Muon, FP8, and a warm-up hold decay schedule keep the run stable. Then, the base model is stretched from an 8K native context to 128K. The important detail is layer-selective. Yarn, position scaling is applied to the global attention layers, not blindly to every layer.
After that, one base checkpoint becomes 2 products. The instruct variant answers directly. The thinking variant emits a reasoning trace first. Both get supervised fine-tuning, then reinforcement learning with verifiable coding and math rewards.
The horizontal comparison is mixed, and that is the point. Mellum 2 RL leads the Instruct Eval Plus panel at 78.4. The thinking version reaches 45.6 on BFCL v4, ahead of the Qwen 3. 5 thinking baselines in this table, and live code bench jumps when a thinking budget is available.
But this is not a universal best model. Qwen 3, 5 dominates broad knowledge, especially GPQA and MMLU Redux. Mellum also sits mid-pack on generic chat, because the training mix is deliberately tilted toward code and developer interaction.
The deployment evidence is the strongest clean claim. On a single H100, Mellum 2 matches the Qwen 2, 5.7B sync speed, 192 versus 193 tokens per second, then delivers 21% higher sustained throughput under concurrent serving. The references matter because the paper is more like a design audit than a single invention. It borrows the Qwen 3, MoE shape, GQA, sliding windows, MTP, Muon, FP8, and yarn-style context extension, then asks which combination survives one fixed IDE speed budget.
So the useful takeaway is not Mellum 2 wins every row. The takeaway is sharper. For coding assistance, sparsity can buy a larger knowledge envelope while preserving the serving behavior of a much smaller, dense model.
That makes Mellum 2 an open, inference-aware design point for small MoE coding models, strong where developer workflows need it, honest about off-domain gaps, and documented enough for others to compare against.